And today's activity is all about shapes. And what shape is it? Can you guess it? No, there's just some color paper, some wool, ice cream stick, and this Google eyes, wiggly eyes, that's all. But I have 4 ice cream sticks over here. So what shape can it be with 4 sticks? Is it a square? No. Is it a rectangle? No. It's not even a rectangle. But what is it? We are going to make a diamond with these 4 ice cream sticks. So I'm going to take one ice cream stick and apply glue. So as I said, apply glue in all the ice cream sticks and keep it ready, and then paste it on the paper. So the second side is also done, and now it's the third side. So the third stick is also done, and then now it is the fourth side. And what shape is this? This is a diamond shape. So once you stick it, press it like this. Press it hard. Yes. And let it dry for some time. And now we are going to stick eyes and then something colorful is getting ready. And then what we are going to do? Eyes are there, and now we are going to make the nose. What nose? It's very simple. Your standing line, top to bottom, your standing line. And then something is missing. Oh no, this diamond is not smiling. Can we make it smile? And now comes your curve. What curve is this? It is your up curve. And now your diamond shape is smiling, right? So now it would have dried. Ask your mama to cut the extra papers like this. Mommy will help you cut it. I have removed the extra bits of paper, and now can you see the diamond is smiling? And what we are going to attach? We are going to attach this wool over here. We are going to attach the wool, and then your diamond shaped kite is ready. So turn it, apply some glue. Apply some glue, and then pick this bunch of woolen thread and stick it, and turn it back, and your diamond shaped kite is ready. And how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many corners? 1, 2, 3 and 4.